LiNX has developed a next-generation weld replacement technology that is demonstrated in simple 3 steps. Step 1. Pre-installation pipe preparation. Cut the pipes within 5 degrees square. Surface preparation. Remove the burr in inner and outer diameter of the pipe using the deburring tool. And using 80 to 120 grade abrasive cloth, sand the sealing zone of the pipe in circumferential direction to remove any contamination or scratches on the pipe surface. Pipe check. Use the LiNX multi-purpose gauge to confirm the cut pipe dimensions, checking specially on the maximum outside diameter of the pipe that can enter the LiNX fitting for installation. Insert the side of the LiNX multi-purpose gauge on the outside diameter of the pipe in at least 2 positions and ensure the pipe is not undersized. Pipe marking. With the marker pen, mark on the installation and inspection slots using the LiNX multi-purpose gauge. Shows the inspection mark. Shows the installation mark. Step 2. Fitting installation. Select the appropriate installation tool and check proper functionality. Insert the suitable body bottom insert into the tool. Place the fitting into the tool on the inserts and place the body top insert and slide the pipe into the fitting and ensure that the installation mark is partially visible. Place top press ring insert over the pipe. Apply pressure until the press ring is fully closed with the body. And the installation is complete. Step 3. Inspection. Finally, carry out the visual inspection and verify if the inspection mark is partially visible and if there is a uniform 360-degree closure of the press ring onto the body. Repeat the same process for the other side of the pipe using the tool on the LiNX fitting. We at LiNX have conducted the entire applicable standard approval test recommended by global certifying agencies to prove the strength in pipe joining technology, importantly for the safety of use.